Okay, Cooters. I come out to show you what it's like. If I get in the sun, you probably won't be able to see nothing because it's going to blind my camera. But this is what it looks like out here. It is so sunny and bright and warm. Nobody's got coats on. Everybody's driving around with their windows down. And I'm sitting at the tailgate, smoking, having my coffee. Driveway. Lights here on these posts. I'd never find this place at night. Back over this way, which you can't see because we're kind of in a valley right here, but right back over that way is the Smoky Mountains. Alright, baby cakes. Want to make some cotton candy, Cooters? And popcorn? Gotta go get some Pepsi. Alright, baby. Yeah, it's so bright, I don't know if this is going to turn out. If I go any further, I'll be right dead in the sun. Enjoy your snow. Bye, baby.